My name is Hanna, and I'll be teaching you about adding and subtracting polynomials. Our goal: to describe what are polynomials, to add and subtract polynomials, and why, to compare and simplify polynomials. Vocabulary: polynomial is a monomial or the sum or difference of two or more polynomials. Nomial: it is an expression of the number or variable or a product. Degree of polynomial: the variable is the sum as the degree of the monomial with the greatest exponent. Degree of monomial is the sum of the exponents of its variable. Standard form of the polynomial: the degree of the monomial times degree from left to right. Meet the chart. Okay, we have ax plus 4, and the degree is 1. So what I'm saying is that to find out the degree, is the variable. And you may get confused because of the 1, because when the variable has no exponents on top of it, it will always be 1. And it's linear because it's another name for 1. And the number of terms, there's only 1, 2. It's binomial because bi means 2. And then we have the degree is 2, which we know is going to be 2 of the variable. And to find the degree, you can always start with the greatest exponent to find the degree. And there's just another word for 2. And there are 3 variables, and then there'll be tried because it's 3. And if this one has no x, this one has no variable, so it's just constant. And it's monomial because it only has 1. Examples: always put the problem in the right order and write down what the solution is. So we got 4 minus 2x. And to put it in the order, we put the variable first. So the number without the variable goes last. So it would be 2x plus 4. So it would be linear binomial because it's 2 solutions. Great thing is here. Always put the one without the variable on, it goes last. It'd be 3x plus 5. And it's the same thing as the first problem. This one. People get confused about the orders of how you put it into order. So let's first find the greatest exponent in the variable, which is ax4. so that one goes first. Now find the second least of the exponents, which is 7x squared. And the last one without a variable is 6. Which is 4-degree trinomial. Now let's try to get the greatest variable first, which would be 3x, exponent of 4. And then the second one, and then the last one, which would be 2x. The 4th-degree trinomial. Add polynomials. Always add the like terms. To add the like terms, we have to get the matching variable, which would be 6x squared plus 2x squared. People might get confused if you add the exponents, which you don't. You keep it the same. All you do is just add these two, which would be 8x exponent of 2. And now we're going to be adding 3x plus 4x. Which now will be 3 plus 4 equals 7. And the last part will be 2 plus 5, which equals 7. And that's your answer. So chat polynomials. Always subtract the like terms. Okay. We all know that we're going to be subtracting the like terms. But now, since we're subtracting, we're going to have this minus sign, which will be changing the problem. Like I said, you don't just add or subtract the variables, leave them the same. So people might confuse minus x. Well, the x is equals to 1. So this will be helpful that minus 1x will be equal to 2x 3. Now we're going to be subtracting these two. Because now we have a different, so we bring like so minus a minus equals to a plus. So this one will be equal to a plus. So it'll be 2x exponent of 2 plus 4x exponent of 2. And now 2 plus 4 equals 6x exponent of 2. Now we're going to be subtracting these two. So minus and plus equals a minus will be minus 5x minus x. And people say that minus 1 plus 1, minus 5 plus 1 does not goes that way. Since it's going to be equal to minus 6x, not 4. And that is your answer. did we do our goal to decide what our polynomial to add and subtract polynomial? Thank you.